Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to check if Facebook page is running Facebook ads. So first of all, get logged into your Facebook page. After that, here tap on these three horizontal lines and scroll down to settings. Again, scroll down to page details. Scroll down and here tap on page transparency. Tap on see all. Here this will show you the ads that are running from this page. So currently here the page is not running any ads. So here you can go and tap go to ad library. So it will show you all the ads that the page are running and in which applications. So from here you can check and go to more details where the ads are running. I hope this video will help you out. Thanks for watching.